In part 2, we'll take the realism up a notch by adding metal sparks when the aircraft makes contact with the tarmac. Let's get started. First, let's disable the cow's domain in the viewport to see the objects clearly. Find the exact moment when the wing first contacts the tarmac and mark it as the start and end frame for the sparks. Set the 3D cursor to the wing section and add an icosphere as the particle emitter. Scale it appropriately to fit the wingtip and position it at the surface that will scrape the tarmac. Select the icosphere, go to the particle properties, and click the plus button to add a new particle system. Scroll down to the render section and choose Object. Add another icosphere, or any object, that will be used as the spark particle. Scale it down to a suitable size and move it far away from the camera. Scroll back to the object settings, use the eyedropper tool to select the second icosphere. Parent the particle system to the wing section to ensure it moves correctly. Play the animation. At this point, the sparks are not visible because we haven't set the particle system's frame start and end yet. Select the particle system and adjust the frame start and end to match the point of contact with the tarmac. Set the particle lifetime to 20 frames. Next, find the keyframe where the fuselage contacts the ground and repeat the process. Move the 3D cursor to the fuselage, duplicate the icosphere and place it at the correct point of contact. Adjust the scale and position, duplicate again and place it on the fuselage roof. Before setting the frame start for each duplicate, make sure to make each one a single user by clicking the number next to the particle system name. This prevents overwriting previous settings. Split the viewport and open the shader editor. Select the object that will be used as the spark particle, click New to add a material, delete the principal BSDF node and replace it with an emission shader node. Set the color to a yellowish glow to resemble real sparks. Increase the emission strength to 10. Switch to rendered view to preview the spark effect in the scene. Select the particle system and go to the cache section, click Bake to save the simulation. Repeat this process for all of the particle systems. Once baking is complete, render the animation to see the metal sparks interacting with the crash scene. This small detail enhances realism and makes the crash landing more visually impactful.